Okay, what can you tell us about power parking?
Okay, so we're doing on the right side now. First things first, always indicate to your right, reverse, and you have to look back and always check on your shoulder if your shoulder is matching with the first pole on your right side. So once you see that pole, stop, lock it to the right side, and once it's locked, keep on reversing until you see, now you have to look on your left mirror. Now you have to wait until you see all three of the poles from the back. Once you see that last pole next to the door panel, you stop there, then you put it back to straight, reverse again slowly. Then you must now concentrate on this mirror again. And then again, the same pole that you see from this shoulder, you must check if it touches this side of the mirror. And once that first pole touches this mirror, then you lock it in to the left side. Keep on reversing, but you must also focus on this mirror, and you must also check the front part of your car that is in between the first pole, the left pole or the middle pole. Must check that. And then once you're close to the pavement, not too close, and you must check that side and check if your front part is in between the left and the middle pole. If it is, then you must now lock it to the right. If you're very close to the pavement, lock it to the right, put in first gear and go slowly in front, but you must not be close to the pole. And you must now check if your front wheel and your back wheel are in the same line of the pavement, like a rectangle. And if you see if it's matching, then you put it straight to straight. Then you must check the rock now, or the point that they give you, to see if it's in the same line. So once you're done, you must get out of the car and you must see if the pole on the left in front and the pole at the back is out. So you have to see if your left mirror must be in the pole, not outside the pole. We do that.
Okay, so that means the first pole is your point 1, the second pole that we're going to see on the mirror is second point, and the first pole is your third pole.
Yeah.
Okay, start. Let's demonstrate that.
All right.
Okay. Not difficult.
So you must always check if these two poles are more out of your left mirror, as you can see. So it must be always in between these two poles, then you know you're in your parallel parking. And also not too close to the pavement, so you can see there's a little gap there. So yeah.